So I've had a couple elite desks and HP computers, which kind of kick ass. And the main issue is about the heatsink is proprietary. And somehow I stumbled on to a different fan that you can swap out to that heatsink. I'm going to go over it. I can't find it anywhere else. I just happened to stumble on it. And as far as I know, and I'm going to show you the insides of these in a second, but this is EliteDesk G3, and over there is a G4, and I'm going to go over, I'll show you the insides after I show you the Amazon, but just to go over real quick, this is the outside diameter of the OEM is about 80 millimeters, and on the one I'm going to show you here, it's almost 95. I could do the insides, but I think you get the point. What you do is you have to take the whole heat sink off. You're going to have to reuse the heat sink, but and to get it off, I always have to break off these. I guess you could Dremel it, but to get to the screw, I have to break the top part off. I don't have a specialized screw for that. And then you just take these screws off, and these will fit this one, which turned out to be a for a 95 watt, so it's way too loud. I'm going to return this. All the processors on the EliteDesk are 65. Even if you get a 95 watt, which I have one, it'll only go to 65 watts. 95 watts is if you reach the turbo, which you can't do with the HP boards. So I'll show you the other ones on Amazon that I ordered that did work, that were quieter and probably just as good as this. And I don't understand, even though this is at 35,000 RPMs, when it's at idle, it should be at like 800 and quiet. I don't get why this was not on the... So this is the second best one. I think it's because it says here it's 75 watts is why it's a little louder, although I still don't get why it just doesn't go down to the 500 RPMs and at idle. I don't know. It should be the same level of quietness, but so here's the name of it on Amazon, 17 bucks, and you got to take off those 4 screws, right? You got to take off those screws and replace the heatsink. You can't use this heatsink, but you can just use the fan from it. And here's I think what is the best one, because it's the quietest, and I don't think there's any issue with the airflow. It's probably a 65 watt cooling fan. Is probably why it's quieter, and I think it does the same job. I don't do anything max load on it for extended periods of time, so I wouldn't know anything about that. But I'm going to show you the inside of the cases in a second. So here's the one with the LED, and clearly this is an EliteDesk. This is the G3 tower, right? And I'll show you. Well, I don't think I need to show you the other one because it fits too, but just wanted to show you. So you believe me, you take off that other one and you replace the screws on it. There you go. All right.